of a twin-turbo inline-six echoes as the 2026 BMW M3 slides into view, a predator tensed, ready to pounce. In that moment, sleek aggression meets raw power, and you're no longer the driver, you're the hunter. Every line of that body, every channel in the hood, shouts performance. This isn't a car, it's an experience. Up close, the grille is wider and more menacing, flanked by slim adaptive LEDs cutting through the night. Flared arches house massive wheels that nearly choke the wheel wells. Step inside and you're greeted by high-contrast carbon fiber, sculpted M steering wheel with red 12 o'clock stripe, and deeply contoured seats that hug your body as if anticipating the next corner. The digital cockpit with iDrive 8.5 displays aggression neatly, blending usability with a hint of motorsport flair. BMW Blog MG USA. But let's talk heart. At the core is that legendary S58 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six for the base M3. It spits out 473 horsepower, violent yet refined. Step up to the competition and you get 503 horsepower RWD or 523 horsepower in the xDrive variant. The xDrive knocks 0 to 60 down to about 3.4 seconds, pure ballistic acceleration. BMW Blog Mode USA. And yes, manual purists, the 6-speed still exists, alive in the base model, offering shift-lever communion that automatics can't replicate. BMW Blog handling razor sharp. Adaptive M suspension reads the road, tightening itself through sweepers, loosening in traffic. The chassis stays flat even when you push deep into apexes, and the feedback through that thick M paddle or stick is a tactile symphony. Fuel economy, not great but expected. Manuals and automatics sit around 17 to 18 mpg combined. City dipping towards 16 and highway climbing into the low 20s. BMW Blog, Phillips might sting, but with a fuel range of nearly 300 miles per tank. Competence meets consequence. Tech is top shelf. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in nav, head-up display, even remote start and heated steering wheel now standard on competition's BMW Blog. You're as connected as you are entertained. Pricing lands with authority. Base manual M3 starts around $79,575. Step up to automatic RWD for $83,775, and the competition xDrive begins at $88,875. BMW Blog, yes, is an investment, but for what it delivers, it's currency well spent. Key highlights to seal the deal: aggressive new styling, that intoxicating inline-six soundtrack, thrilling manual option, blistering performance, and refined cabin tech. This is sports sedan supremacy. Not just a car, but a legendary. When you slip back into the driver's seat of the 2026 M3, you're not just driving, you're commanding. The road becomes your canvas. Every twist and straightaway a brushstroke of adrenaline. This isn't goodbye, it's a promise. Gear up for more horsepower, more sights, more stories. The next review is already lining up on the horizon.